What is up, YouTube? So I am really, really stoked today because I've got something really, this is super wild stuff. So I'm revisiting a product that I promoted a few weeks back. It's called Affiliate Maniac by Jamie Lewis. Now, before I get into that, because I really don't want to talk so much about Affiliate Maniac, I want to talk about what I'm giving you right now. So all the original bonuses that I have for Affiliate Maniac, you're still going to be getting. You'll see them down below in the description. But I've added 2 new bonuses, which are wow. These are going to blow your mind. Okay, so the first thing is like this. Uh, I have I just started working on a new launch. Now I have one coming out in just a few days. This is going to be the one after that. It's going to be coming out probably sometime in February or March. And this has blown my mind. It has doubled and tripled the number of sales that I've been doing. Okay, seriously, it has been so insanely good for me to be doing this new method. It has just really, really blown my mind so much. Okay, and I am super stoked about it. I am working right now on putting together a course for it, a full-fledged course, but I've put together a sneak preview that you're going to be able to get for free when you pick up Jamie's Affiliate Maniac from me. In addition to that, I'm also going to be, Jamie spoke to me just recently, and just a few minutes ago actually, and offered me something that I couldn't believe he was willing to do. Basically, if you pick up Affiliate Maniac from me, and you're one of the first 10 to do so, Jamie's going to let me give you his personal email address for one-on-one coaching. I'm not kidding. This is a product that costs next to nothing. Okay, it's like what, $10, $15 or something. You're going to get personal coaching from a seven-figure marketer on one of the biggest names in the industry. He's going to be coaching you personally. Okay, I would never do that. I think he's completely nuts to do this, but he's doing it for you. So it's all coming up. I'm going to explain everything to you more in my new review of Affiliate Maniac. Stay tuned. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear it for well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull them off successfully. Well, I mean by Buddy Neal over here. Now, if you are new to the top, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as yesterday's Dunkin' Donuts. Guys, seriously, make them fresh every day, okay? Seriously. Anyway, but seriously, anyhow, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is 2 things. I review software info products and make money on my niche. And why do I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, enough. Seriously, it's enough. It's a new year. Can't we get rid of this already? He's followed me to 2021. Can you believe this guy? Can't you get a new line? Anyhow, if you are new, the way things work here is that if I like a product, we'll give you a tip. My head's a product great. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Oh, thank you so much, Liz. I mean, see, Liz is a sweetheart. I love Liz. I can't get angry at her. Who could? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure that you go ahead and smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. So thank you, subscribe. Doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video. Comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now. This is the sales page for Affiliate Maniac by my buddy Jamie. Now, as I said, I don't even want to talk so much about Affiliate Maniac because I am super stoked about what I have to offer as a bonus. Okay, because it's just wild stuff. Okay, so I am working right now on a brand new course. This course is something that I am so excited about. It's probably going to come out in February or March. It's going to be, I'm thinking about calling it Bonus Reverse. I haven't really settled on a name yet. I did buy a domain name in case I decide to go with that, which I like this particular domain name, but we'll see. I haven't confirmed that this is going to be the name. Anyhow, but bottom line, this is going to blow your mind. It's tripled the number of sales I've been making over the past 3 launches that I promoted with it, using this particular method. I've always been making sales because I am fairly big deal, not to toot my own horn, but this thing has really, really improved my numbers tremendously. You know, it used to be I was, you know, a bit player, and now I'm starting to become a major, major player because of this particular method that I've been testing out, which I am absolutely loving. But then Jamie came to me and made me a ridiculous offer that just blew my mind. Basically, he's said that for the first 10 people who pick up Affiliate Maniac during this new promotion, he is going to give you one-on-one coaching. He's letting me put his email address into the bonus document. Okay, and you're going to be able to get coaching from Jamie one-on-one. He's going to help you out one-on-one with whatever you need in order to build your business. Okay, that's just wild. I mean, this is a 7-figure marketer. The guy makes millions of dollars a year, and it's a wild offer. Okay, let me show you quickly the members area here so you can see. Basically, the method involves YouTube channels. You can see here there's a bonus of my personal course, Durable, which is pretty cool. The method basically involves using YouTube channels in order to make serious money, and the money is definitely there. I've seen it. I know this works, and my original bonus that I was offering was a video, which is still there, by the way, along with a whole bunch of other stuff. There's a video that was still there where I'm telling you how to monetize even smaller YouTube channels. But this new bonus just blows that one away. Anyway, let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a 10 minutes to product creator or not.
You the man!
Yeah, you demand, seriously. Look, this is a very cool course and software. I really love it. It's really going to help you out a lot. Pick it up together with my bonus, and this is going to be absolutely, you're going to be blown away, seriously, blown away. So go ahead and grab this one. This one's worth it. You're going to love it.